Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 18 betas directly on your device. Now, for those of you that may not know, Apple now allows you to download and install beta software on your iPhone completely free. You don't have to pay anything. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 18 betas on your device, easy, fast, and free. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, before we begin, I wanted to give a quick shout out to our sponsors, Ugreen. They have this really cool 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger that it is super tiny and awesome to travel with. Take a look at the size of that in comparison to my hand. This one is going to be Qi 2 compatible, so you're getting up to 15 watts of wireless charging. You have the Ugreen logo with an LED indicator. On the right, you have a power output where you can plug in any additional accessories to charge along, and you have the power input. So you can fold it and unfold it just like so. It feels very premium as per usual. And you have the base here to charge basically any pair of AirPods that you wish right there wirelessly. And obviously you have the MagSafe, again, Qi 2 compatible for fast wireless charging. You can use it on your nightstand with standby mode with iOS, and it's just perfect to travel with. So make sure you check out Ugreen's and all their products, including the brand new 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. Thank you to Ugreen as always for sponsoring this video. Okay, so the first thing to note is that if you're already testing iOS 17 betas, all you have to do is jump into settings, head on over into general, go under software updates, and right here under beta updates, you'll get a third option, which is going to be iOS 18 developer beta. So you're going to want to select iOS 18 beta once it is available, and then go ahead and try to download the software, and you should be able to download iOS 18 betas onto your device, even if you're testing iOS 17 betas. So now if you've never tried any betas on your iPhone and you want to give iOS 18 betas a try for the first time, you have to agree to the new terms. Now keep in mind, guys, that beta software tends to be very buggy. The battery life is terrible. Some data could be corrupted. So I never recommend you do this on a primary device, but if you choose to do so, make sure you save all your pictures, your messages, and keep in mind that there will be bugs and issues with beta software. Again, links down below. The first thing you want to do is make sure you sign into Apple's beta software program with your Apple ID. Make sure you go ahead and agree to the latest terms. So I'm going to do that now here. Let's go ahead and sign in. So once you sign in, you'll see a new terms window pop up. Make sure you agree to the new terms, and it will bring you here. The first step is, of course, to back up all your data. The second step here is to open beta updates. So make sure you click here, and this will bring you directly to settings to select iOS 18 beta. Once it is available, it will look something like this. Select iOS 18 betas and make sure you check for software updates, and you should be able to download iOS 18 beta 1 come June 10th. And that is as simple as that to download beta software. Again, guys, just be cautious that there will be bugs and issues. I know a lot of you guys are excited, but this is how you install iOS 18 betas absolutely free after June 10th. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.